is what happened when I get mad, guys. You don't like me, Tommy.
That's what always happens.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. My hair, I went shower yesterday, and this is my hair. So yeah, it's still straight, and as you can see, guys, it's a little weave here to go like that, which is, I don't have a problem with that. It's going like that, and I like that. So yeah, good morning. If you're in the Philippines, who don't have this? It's a bench. Benchy, there you go. Yeah, and this is a pink, and I have another one over here. This is the blue one. The blue one is, you know, it smells good, and this is my favorite, this pink. And one of my favorites from the Philippines, I think I told you already, this baby flow cologne. This one, and the white one. This is a sweet breeze, and the other one, the white one, I think coal or something, I don't know. You can come over here, you're blocked with the boxes. You can come over here. Roxy, you can't come close to mama, right? You can't come over here, you blocked boxes. You can't come over here. You can't come over here. You're stuck over there. You're stuck over there. You can come over here. You can't. You're stuck right there. You can't come over here. Oh, you can't. No, you guys can't come over here. Roxy. She get pissed. She get pissed that she can come here. She doesn't like that, you know. She's in the other side and she can't come to me and jump. Oh, no, no, no. Get down. So, yeah, guys. There's papers all over me, around me here. I am putting all together. I put it like this, guys. Like this. I put it like this. This is the year of... What year is this? 2014. This is it. I'm keeping it until 2012. And then 2011 is shredded. Roxy, get down. I want you to get down. Thank you. Good girl. Look at it. Hi, baby na. I love baby. I know, baby. Kiss mama. Kiss. Kisses. Kisses, mama. Kisses. 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 Get down, baby, please. No, I love you, man, baby. No, I love you, man, no, baby. Look at her. She's crazy. She loves me. I love my baby. No, she is my special princess. You're my princess. Roxy. Roxy, come here. Our friends want to say hi. Hi, Roxy. Roxy. She's ignoring me now, guys. Oh, she is my little princessita. else makes me tired. Anyway, you know what, guys? This is when I get so bored. I'm just watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians, guys. So, yeah. I'm sorry, Trey. You're gonna get down when I'm ready. But anyway, I'm waiting for the Super Bowl. I think it starts at 6:30, I think. But yeah, so I'm not done with the papers, but at least I accomplished a lot today too with the papers. And what else? Yeah, I'm just gonna watch a Super Bowl. I cook already. I cook some pork spare ribs and what else? What else I did? String beans. Yeah, we have rice, we have salad, so we're good. Plus we have leftover of salmon also from the other night, from last night. So anyway, guys, I will call it a night because I'm just gonna relax. I'm just gonna put my back down and I will see you in my next video, guys. There's nothing really going on today. It's just a Super Bowl and papers and cooking, and that's it, guys. Hey now. My hair is so weird. Like, it's different. Why it's different? Huh? I'm not looking good in this short hair. I need a wig. I need a long wig. Okay? A wig on a wig. You're gonna buy me a long wig. Huh? A wig?
Yeah, keep your hair really hair under a wig every day. You know what happens.
Is it gonna ruin really? I'm not wearing a wig. Are you serious?
Hang it from the area.
I'm not wearing a wig. I'm not gonna wear a wig. I'm not gonna wear. Good morning, Vietnam again. Good morning, Han. Look, he's having a what is that? Fries. Did you even hit it? Why? Huh? Get mushy. It's snowing again, guys. I just get out from shower and I blow dry my hair. Not like blow dry like when you go to salon. It's just I blow dry just like you. And this is the result. It's curvy. Do you like my sweater, guys? My husband made this for his work for a long time ago. And it's an old thing. I like it. Big one. Very comfortable. It's crunchy, right? And it's nice if you hear it. If you're American, you should know this one. My husband just told me yesterday that there is a basketball that is not a regular basketball. It's a funny basketball. It's like a comedy. What's the title of that, Han? Yeah, it's an old team. What? Harlem Globetrotters. You guys know that. I think I have few viewers that I know. It's American. Anthony Ranieri. And who else? There's few. If you know that, yeah, Harlem Globe Stellars.
Trotters.
Huh?
Trotters.
Trotters? I don't know, guys. I'm just following what he said, but I watched it on YouTube last night. It's just it's very funny. It's just like they're very talented. They're good in basketball, but they make it like a comedy. You guys should. I'm going to put the name here, guys, that you can put. You can research it on YouTube if you want. It's very funny. Look at this dog. Did you eat fries? Daddy give you fries? Look, it's just like. Anyway, guys, I'll see you later. It's snowing outside. And still snowing, and I see a lot of snow already. Yeah. Let's see if you can feel it. What did you feel, honey? What did you feel? Did you feel it? It's funny. It's funny. My husband feeling it. I thought I lost it. I love you, Sabado. I love you, Sabado. Hi. Hi.
I look like crap. I don't like it.
Hi. Okay, no more sugar here. I guess before you put that everything back, I'm gonna get and your sugar. I think I'm going to. No, we're not going to Costco, hon.
I said I should have. We were there last week.
No, we're not. We have a lot downstairs. Bye. I'm going downstairs. Hi, Misty. Hi, Misty Mitch. Going to the basement. It's very dark out here, guys. Very dark. So let me see if I can find a sugar. There is a door over here. And let's get in the door. Let's see if I can find sugar in here. Corn bits. You guys remember this? You guys remember I have corn bits. I have clover chips. I probably bring this upstairs. I probably eat this with my dog. Yeah, barbecue. I'll bring this upstairs. It's UFC Canton noodles. I'll probably do that tonight. I have pancit canton here in the bag. I have Mr. one right here. Hi to Vinci Domingo Villanueva. Hi Villanueva. I like your family name, Domingo Sunday. Villanueva it's a nice family name. Hi, thank you for your comments. Shout out to you and your daughter. Hi. Thank you guys for watching. Hi, daughter. I'm doing my editing right here, guys. But look. Look.
Oh, she's working today.
God. Do you wanna edit my video, or do you wanna go? Do you want? Do you want? Do you wanna edit my video? Roxy, do you wanna edit my video? Huh? Do you want? What? Do you want? Get down. Get down.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, is that what you want? You want me to get rid of my laptop, my cell phone, and do you wanna go out? Huh? You just like keep going up here. You're worse than a baby. You are. Roxy, Misty. Hi. Ouch! Like crazy. That was hurt. That was hurt. Oh, I'm going in. I'm going in. Bye. Stop it. There's a mailbox. And the dog is crazy. Misty, stop it. No, don't stop jumping. Let's go in. Oh no, you know what we're gonna. Oh, while we go there is a steeples over there, right?
Yeah.
We need to get that rubber band because I use that for doing the papers to put it all together. I've been using Mom's, Han. It's almost finished. So, you think they have that rubber band thing?
Sure.
Icy, Han.
What?
It's icy. Look, it's slippery. I like my hair color now, though. That it's cut. Did you see that? And what did you say, honey?
See my wife on the internet.
Internet?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the internet?
I'll go on the internet and see her.
My God, I see you in the vlog. That's what you said.
Yeah. Unless you format the drive in X-Fat and they can overwrite to it.
Where's the thing here?
It's slower. What thing?
Where's the?
Column?
Yeah.
Where do you put it? You're probably sitting on it.
Oh, it's right here.
No, you're sitting on it.
God, I don't feel it, hon. So we get the collar from that store, which is my husband. We went there and we can't find the cat food that we're looking for. Yeah. So the owner, I think the owner, it's just the store is very quiet. There's no customers at all. what happened is my husband, like, I think that's why my husband did this. He's not usually buy expensive just for this. He feel bad, I think, that they don't have any customers. So now we get this for Roxy. Roxy needed anyway, but we can find like $7 Stop and Shop for this, like this. But this is nicer color for Roxy. But you know what? It's still.
I like the first one you had better.
I like this better. But yeah, guys. So we can't find it. So now we're going to. Why my face is really yellow? We're going to Petco, the real pet store. Are we done now?
We are done.
Are we?
We
Huh?
are.
Okay, good. We're going home now. This is what happened when I get mad, guys. You don't like me, Tommy.
That's what always happens.
You don't like me,
They
Tommy.
can't see you, hon. It's just like total blackness here. Yeah, look at that face. See how mad she is? Look at that face.
You don't like me, Tommy.
Sweetie.
Don't touch me.
Look at this.
Do you
I do love
really?
you, hon.
Do you really love me?
Yes, hon. They really do. Even you're a scotch pain in the neck.
Yeah, I'm not the one you are.
I am.
You are it.
This guy in front of me is for sure. He's driving
Oh
like
my
a crap.
God. Yes, I'll see you home, guys. It's so dark in here. I'm gonna end this vlog tonight. We just got home from picking up Boston Market and we had dinner already. I like my thing. I like my eyebrow. I like the pencil that I used, guys. Oh, Beth, I told you, you know, you should get it. The color is good and it's just really good. And what else? Yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog now, guys. Yeah, so I need this. This is what I use for taking off my makeup. This one. Simple. I don't really use this one. Yeah, I used to use Neutrogena, and because the Neutrogena is so expensive, I got this for like sale. It's 2-pack for something. It's just very cheap and simple cleansing facial wipes. And this one is very smells good too. Skin Iceland from AFC. I forgot to add it in my other blah vlog, blah 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 blah. That's it. I'm gonna end this vlog and I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do. There's the in the side there is subscribe, just click it. And thank you all so much for thank you all so much for commenting and for watching my video. Bye.